In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Filmora AI for creating photos and videos. We'll move step by step so you can follow along easily, whether you want to generate an image from a prompt or quickly create a video using AI. Start by opening Filmora on your computer. When it loads, create a new project. This gives you a clean workspace and ensures everything you generate is neatly organized. With your project open, look toward the media tools and click on Stock Media. Inside Stock Media, you'll find a section called AI Media. This is your hub for Filmora's AI features. If your goal is to create a photo, select AI Image. Here you have two simple paths. You can describe the image you want, or you can upload an existing image to use as a reference. In the description box, be as specific as possible. Mention the subject, the style or mood, any colors or lighting you prefer, and a short note about composition, like close-up portrait, wide landscape, or product on a clean background. The clearer your prompt, the closer the result will match your idea. If you have a reference image, upload it to guide the AI toward the look you want. When you're ready, click Generate and let Filmora create your image. If the result isn't quite right, refine your description and generate again until it fits your vision. To create a video with AI, stay in AI Media and choose between two options, image to video or text to video. Image to video is great when you have a specific photo or visual style to start from. Upload the image you want to base the video on, then describe the video content in natural language. You might note the kind of motion you want, like a gentle pan, a slow zoom, or a dynamic reveal, as well as the setting, mood, and any visual details that matter. Click Generate, and Filmora will turn your image and description into an animated clip. If you prefer to start without any image, choose text to video. Simply describe the content of the video you want. Focus on the subject, the setting, the overall tone, and how you want the camera to feel, cinematic, energetic, or calm. Then click Generate. Filmora will interpret your prompt and build a video for you. That's all there is to it. Open Filmora, start a new project, head to Stock Media, enter AI Media, and choose AI Image, image to video, or text to video. With clear prompts and a bit of experimentation, you'll get impressive results quickly.